been there. I live there. Singing a catchy tune on top of our lungs, despite the fact that we do not know the words. Now our producer is calling us out. So she's going to play the lines from some famous hits and see if we actually know the words. You could have just asked us, we could have told you no, Tamaya, but do you want to go through this?
Guys, we don't need
Ain't no problem.
Just tell me the song and we just talk it out from start to finish, isn't it?
So you're going to play the tune and then we're going to fill in the line or so? Okay.
Want to tell them it's a shabba thing, suckling sing. Yard out for him, kick up, rock wine. Sing, ding-a-ling-a-ling, sing, dance silent swing, sing. DJ lift that up in the beer boom.
Ding-a-ling-a-ling, school bell ring, knife off. Oh, DJ is cock up when them ear boom rhythm.
Sing, ding-a-ling-a-ling, sing, school bell ring, sing.
Yes, that's the second part. Shabba ranks disappearing.
What you did same say?
Huh?
DJ what?
DJ is cock up when them ear boom rhythm.
And what come after that?
Ding-a-ling-a-ling, school bell ring, knife and fork, a fight for dumpling. Boyaka, boyaka, for Shabba ranking, Shabba another man sing. Obviously.
That's exactly what the man said a while ago. See, man? No, man. It's the best.
I don't know what he's saying that last part.
What him say after that, Tamaya?
Shabba rank, something, another man thing. I don't know. Are we supposed to talk about that on air? Because it's on like...
DJ lift that up in the beer boom rhythm. Ding-a-ling-a-ling, school bell a ring. Knife and fork, a fight for dumpling. Time for Shabba ranking, Shabba rocks disappear with another man chin. So them
disappear.
Shabba ranks disappear with another
one
man.
Of another man thing.
Another
what?
Man
chin? What?
Him disappeared another man chin.
What did he say, Tam? I don't know what. Don't follow Prince. Prince and Ratunia. Tamaya, what did he say?
The man chin.
Maybe Chin is a girl.
Yeah.
No.
What are you talking about? Tamaya, what are you...
What? You don't know the answer and you're asking us? Shabba ranks disappear. What him say? So another man thing. What him say?
Yeah.
Shabba ranks disappear with
another man.
One of another man thing. I don't.
Then a chin himself.
Disappear without another man chin? How does he do it?
I just go, sir. I say, when I go, I like me never right.
Oh, him lick him and mash up half of him chin?
Yeah, okay.
Wow, I didn't realize there was such violence in that song.
But is you I am depending on you are the selector.
What is that song about? Dingali, school bell.
Come again, next one.
Them are the down to the busy.
I can't see where this is going.
Oh, he's dissing people, that's what's...
Alright, next one.
See a girl like a ball, you know. See a guitar out. How she do my youth? Here, tell us in a state. Girl, you better can't cook.
Together, you for your pretty look.
You want to live a restaurant and come dead man bank book. Cook. None of man.
One live a restaurant and one done man bank book. Cook, recipe book, something after that I don't remember. Think of it, but it don't reach there yet.
You pay your pretty look, you want to live a restaurant and come dead man bank book. Cook, recipe book. Why in the kitchen cause you and them no nook, you better.
Oh, why in the kitchen cause you and them no nook.
What a nice song.
It's really not a nice song.
No, what a lovely.
I mean, it's 2018. Some women don't want to cook. They don't need a recipe book. The men must go in the kitchen. Lex. You want to see I never cook good in the kitchen here?
This one is very classic.
Is it a dance hall?
So you can't play to Celine Dion or something?
None of mercy. The angel ruler said they must respect this. Dedicate to the whole nation. Me sing.
If you're illiterate and foolish, you might turn a crook. And the center and the grains and it's a one cook.
Exactly
if I said ever said you kiss you red handed tonight.
Simmer have it on a control.
Illiterate and foolish, you might turn a crook. And you're not gonna get no work. And you're deep like a puss. Send me money with a purse.
I hit you one joke. If I should ever catch you red handed tonight.
Use the middle too.
Of course.
Sim used to play this
You know, go to school, go on the bench and the chair.
Can I make a
School
request,
as there
please?
is or no. Pardon?
Can I make a request?
Yes.
I want to hear a Oma Wallace song.
Oh, no. Oh,
I want to
no.
hear a Oma Wallace song.
No, but that's easy.
That's what I said.
That's,
That's what I said. I can figure out that one there easy.
Go on, run the riches first. Watch the places you are and mind the way you talk.
See me so we play them songs, she was a
Just in
selector, eh? Sure.
in the dark.
You like take off half
Your
of my
pants,
pants.
them too.
That's the Mr.
Remember the big bad youth.
Watch out for the big time people.
Them say that them smart.
Earth a run red.
They're bringing in the crack and the gun to come and show the youth them heart.
Earth a run red. Every youth and them on a tea bread.
Earth a run red. They don't hear me say it a while ago. After the tea bread. They may not just say it. Something like that tea bread.
Every youth, I look them owner tea
What?
bread. Every youth,
Every youth.
I look them owner
Thank you.
tea bread.
Thank you. Somebody, I said that
All I
already.
look down on that TV.
Yeah.
I hear a next youth.
I hear next you dead.
Whoa.
It's a spice of my bread, you know that one. Earth a run red.
When you all that sing down on that TV. I hear a next youth.
So, you know, I'm no nice Jim Reeves out of that.
On your way, brothers and sisters, good lady. How you doing? Hope you doing fine.
Rhythm up the man we can't hear.
Mix up a blend of a man like that and Johnny, that's how we say. Yeah.
Londy, ask him to turn up the music. He's over Sometimes it's hard trying to make it. Leave you leave.
Don't say it, come on. We have to take a step forward.
Go forth and take it. Set yourself free.
What's the next line?
With obstacles in the way, you may
With
fall before you
obstacles
rise.
in the
But if
way,
you really
you know
want
these
good, your nose have to run, so get
You know
up
these
and keep your
things.
eye on the prize. And as far as a plan, you must have ambition and the Almighty One as your foundation. No matter sometimes you're desperately wrong, and don't forget your place or where you come from. If you're a thief, remember God not sleep. And although you rob a man and you get her last week, I don't remember the rest.
I have two things to say.
Wait.
Wait, no, I have two. All right. Low.
Two things.
I have two things to say after what she just said.
Strike.
Tell him, yeah, the biggest thing in the world. Remember me told you.
Step up
I mean,
in life,
we have that under
let
control.
go.
But I want to hear like a Jim Reeves.
Yeah, I'm just saying.
All right.
No Anne Murray,
Yeah.
Kenny Rogers,
Louis Armstrong.
Dolly Parton, as the trees burn. I mean,
Okay, after all that.
they discriminated against you this
Yeah,
morning.
they might fight against.
Dance hall.
All right, we're going to take a break. When we come back, we have news in
You
5.
didn't bring anything from 1923.